Hey guys! Christmas is coming soon. What kind of food will you prepare? Today I introduce a healthy Christmas tree recipe! Potato salad is a favorite among the old Japanese people. A Christmas tree made from the potato salad is not only delicious but also very healthy. If you are wondering what to make for Christmas this year, please refer to this recipe. So let's get started! Introduce ingredients: potatoes, sausages, eggs, onion, carrots, broccoli, mixed vegetables, mayonnaise, salt, and black pepper. Now let's make a healthy Christmas tree. Begin by boiling the eggs. Heat water until it's enough to fully submerge the eggs. Once it's boiling, add the eggs and boil for at least 10 minutes. After boiling, immerse the eggs in ice water immediately. Next, peel the potatoes. Peel the potatoes ensuring to remove any sprouts, which are not good for health. Once peeled, cut the potato into about 2 cm squares. Too small and they might melt after boiling. This size is just right. Place the cut potato into a pot of water and boil for about 10 minutes. Prepare the onions. Peel and finely chop the onions. Adjust the size to your preference. Larger pieces provide a more enjoyable texture. Place the chopped onion in a heat-resistant bowl. Prepare the sausages. Cut the sausages vertically in half and then into 2 cm widths. Add these to the bowl with the chopped onions. To remove the moisture from the onions, add salt. Mix well. Cover with plastic wrap and microwave. Microwave for about 4 minutes at 600 watts. Check the potatoes. Check the state of potatoes after boiling for about 10 minutes. If the toothpick goes through cleanly, they are done. However, if they are too soft and easily crushed with the chopsticks, that's also fine. Drain the potato in colander and let them cool. Dispose of the excess water. Now I've completed boiling the eggs and preparing the potatoes, onions, and sausages. Just as the warming in the microwave has finished and there is enough moisture, that's good. Discard this excess moisture. Next, add the previously prepared potato to a bowl along with the drained onion and sausages. Add mayonnaise, salt, and pepper. Then mash the potatoes. Having the boil them thoroughly, the potato mashed easily. When they achieve the paste-like consistency, it's good. Now let's taste it. The flavor can change significantly based on the size of potatoes and the remaining moisture, so taste it carefully. If it's balanced, add salt or mayonnaise. Finally, to add the eggs, cut them open and finely chop it according to your preference. Mix them into the potato salad and once well combined, Potato salad is ready. Next, prepare the tree leaves and ornament. Start by washing the broccoli. Broccoli is covered with a membrane called bloom that repels the water. When washing the broccoli, prepare a bowl of water like this. Turn the broccoli upside down, shake it, and rotate it. Let it soak for about 1 minute. Although it might be hard to see on camera, the dirt should come out. Then cut the broccoli. Carefully cut each stem at the base. Save the large stem part. They can be used for miso soup later. When dividing a large broccoli, don't cut it completely. Cut the stem about halfway and break the rest by hand. When boiling, add salt, bring it to boil, and then put in the broccoli. Since broccoli is rich in the nutrients, it's better to boil it for a short time. About 1 minute is enough. After about 1 minute, turn off the heat and transfer it to a colander. Remove excess moisture and let it cool. Now let's prepare the ornament. Cut carrot into 2 cm width. Use a mold to create beautiful shapes. Ideally, star shape would be good, but this time I had a mold in the shape of cherry blossom, which is the symbol of Japan. I could make it so beautiful. Also, finely chop the outer parts that are cut. Transfer this to the plate, cover it with plastic wrap, and microwave it at 600 watts for about 2 minutes. Once you've cut the cherry tomato in half, all the ornaments are ready. Now all preparations are complete. Let's make the tree. First, create the base by stacking potato salad to form a cone. Shape it with hands. Press it firmly, otherwise it might collapse. Once you form a cone, start inserting the broccoli. Arrange them in the spiral pattern. Since the potato salad is soft, it's easy to insert them. Create some gaps. You will place the ornament in these later. Now that broccoli is prepared up to the top, start decorating with small cherry blossom shaped carrots. Next, embedded cherry tomatoes. It looks beautiful with the various colors. Fill the gap with mixed vegetables. Finally, place a large cherry blossom shaped carrot on top. Finish!
So let's いただきます。
Now let's eat. Since it's a pity to break it, start eating from the bottom. Made with broccoli, potatoes, and many other vegetables, it's very healthy. It's unexpectedly delicious. It's more delicious than you can imagine. It also goes very well with wine. Why not spend a fun Christmas making it with their family and friends. So let's give it a try! Thank you for watching until the end. I'll continue to introduce the Japanese cuisine. Please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. See you next time!